Hi, my name is Mellisa Dormoy. I'm an author and a transformational coach and a hypnotherapist. I love teaching vision board workshops. Why? Because first of all, I've used vision boards in my own life to attain amazing results. Publishing a book with Joe Vitale from The Secret and traveling all over the world and doing things I'd never imagined that I could do. Well, I imagined them because they happened. But in this course, I'm going to teach you how to facilitate a vision board workshop, a vision board retreat, an all-day retreat. And I'm going to give you the syllabus. I'm going to break down each hour by hour, so you know exactly what to do, exactly what to say. The worksheets I'm going to give to you that you can hand out. I'm going to tell you all the materials that you'll need to gather. You'll have a checklist. You will never have a question in your mind about what do I do? This course is fun, it's dynamic, it's wonderful. I love it and I love teaching it. I hope you love teaching it. I want to help you take your career to the next level by hosting vision board workshops. So come on and join me. I can't wait to get to meet you.